Hello everybody. This video we are going to solve the integral of a infinite radical equation using geometry series. This is a homemade question because I yet to see similar question about this. The closest I ever see is integral x plus x and so on. Similar but actually not so because the equation is using plus, our using multiply with three different type. On the other hand, the solution of this method is using quadratic equation while we are using geometry series. Let's focus on the infinite radical series. Here we can split to three parts. One part something, multiply second part something, and multiply the third part something. Now first, you have a x. The x is actually powered by 1/2. So powered by 1/2. And then you have a 1 over x. Powered by 1 over 4 because 2 times square. So 1 over 4. And then we have a x squared. Powered by 1 over 8 because 3 times square, which is 1 over 2. Powered by 3, 1 over 8. And then it goes back to x. So multiply x again. So this time it power 1 over 16. Why? Because it go through 4 times square. Obviously, the 1 over x here will power 1 over 32. And the x power 2 here will be 1 power 64 and goes on and goes on. Or it can be right in a kind of geometry series. X power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 16 plus something else. Multiply 1 over x power 1 over 4 plus 1 over 32 plus something else. Multiply the third series, x power 2 power 1 8 plus 1 over 64 plus something else. So far so good. Now let's focus on the geometry series itself. Let's define Sxn for the series of the x. Here the first term is 1 over 2. The common ratio is 1 over 8. So xx infinity is 1 over 2 divided by 1 minus 1 over 8, the ratio, which is 1 over 2 multiply 8 over 7. So x infinity is simply over 7. Now let's do this another series for 1 over x here. As for 1 over x, n is start with 1 over 4 plus. So we know the first term a is 1 over 4 and the common ratio is 1 over 8. So as 1 over x infinity is 1 over 4 divided by 1 minus 1 over 8, which is 1 over 4 multiply 8 divided by 7. As 1 over x infinity is 2 over 7. And finally the s for x squared start with 1 over 8 plus 1 over 64 plus, so we know a is 1 over 8, the common ratio also 1 over 8. So as x squared infinity is the a 1 over 8 divided by 1 minus r, which is also 1 over 8, which is 1 over 8 multiply 8 divided by 7, 1 over 7. We are now trying to combine three series together, which is equals to x power 4 over 7 multiply 1 over x power 2 over 7 multiply x power 2 power 1 over 7. So we have x 4 over 7 multiply x, bring the x up, become negative 2 over 7, multiply x power 2, bring up, become 2 over 7, sum the power together, the other two cancel each other, so this one become x power 4 over 7. Getting x power 4 over 7 is not the final answer because we still have to solve the integral 4 over 7 dx. So now obviously solvable, which is x power 4 over 7 plus 1 divided by 4 over 7 plus 1. 10. 4 over 7 plus 1 is actually x power 11 divided by 7 divided by 11 divided by 7. 0 to 1. So equals to 7 over 11 x power 11 over 7, 0 to 1. Of course, replacing 1 and 0 for the x, you get 7 over 11. So this is the final answer, 7 over 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification button